Here we go, quick meal for the night. Over here we've got a fan forced oven and we're doing chicken schnitzel, carrots and onion in the fan forced oven. Over here frying up some scalloped potatoes. Beautiful. Over in this pot over here we'll give it a stir. Okay, now in this pot we are cooking up some broccoli, carrots and potatoes, which will eventually, once they're cooked, will be slightly mashed with some butter and garlic added to those, and with that lot there, and we should have a nice meal. Now I'll show you, ta-da, what it's going to look like. Here we go. Okay, from here, some nice steaming hot vegetables, and we've got garlic and melted butter, just adding some pepper, which is really cool, and also some pinch of rock salt in that. Now it looks good, steaming hot. You've got your other veggies and that ready to go. So what we do here is we'll mash this and then we'll finish off the meal. Let's see about destroying this beautiful meal. Oh no, he's gonna destroy it. Look at this. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, now let's have a look, see how it turned out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful. There we go. So what do we got on here? Okay, we've got baked onion, chicken schnitzel, fried potatoes, baked carrot, we've got broccoli, and then we've got our mash. And in the mash, we've got garlic, butter, pepper and salt, mashed potatoes and mashed carrots. What a beautiful meal. Ready to serve, ready to eat, with or without gravy, entirely up to you. Yummy, look at that. Everybody loves my body all the time. Scooby-Doo. Well, looks like I'll be right for 2 nights. Catch you later. Ciao for now. Bye.